4th of July fireworks.
Woo. That one's
Pretty.
yeah, it's red. I see red in it. Oh, whoa! It's not gonna ever go out. Here, George. Whoa! What's
So Grandma says these are the legal
Run!
or
These
whatever.
are not the legal ones.
But it's not. Oh. That was crazy.
Oh my gosh, that was big! I didn't know it was that big!
Me neither. That scared me.
You guys, I screamed.
Nico, we need to make music videos of this because, oh my god, this is scary. It scared me, Dad.
You guys, this is so scary.
Watch out, there's somebody walking now, Joe. Light a different one really quick. Something else.
Oh, I don't want that one again.
They have 6 of those.
No!
Oh my god, that was scary, guys. George and Maddie are here. Oh, and you guys, George and Maddie are here.
I'm plugging my ears.
Right,
I'm
Brianna?
scared.
Right?
Yeah.
George and Maddie are here.
So-
They're not doing the bomb.
So guys,
They're
this is
doing a different one.
the last one I'm gonna show you guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna do rest musicals because I'm running out of room on the tablet. So I'm scared. Nick, I'm like really scared.
Whoa, that's so pretty.
It's not that good in like the camera though.
Okay, now I know why everybody said the big ones are.
So yeah, guys.
The big one was super pretty.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching.
People are walking.
Say thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.